and it is available on your portal. So you have to check your portal. Okay, do you have class, at what time you have a class, in which classrooms you have classes for particular subject. So you have to attend your classes, right? So never ever bunk your classes. This is my advice to all of you people. We have got 16 lectures. So only 16 lectures, and as I told you earlier, that 75% attendance is required. That means that if you attend 12, 13 classes out of 16 classes, that's you will qualify for the exam, right? So, but why bunk classes? Why bunk classes? You have to attend 16 classes. That's very simple formula. 16 classes you have to attend for the whole semester. Okay. Make new friends. Right? So during this 4 years, you have to make as much as you can make good friends. Right? So don't rely on only 4 friends which you are going to make in your first semester. This is my advice to you, please. Sir, मैं इनके साथ मैंने first semester पढ़ा था, and I would like to carry on this 4 chaps for the next 4 years. So this is my advice to you. Please make new friends. Increase your friend circle, because this is going to be helpful for you after the graduating. This network will help you. Believe me or not, because you never know कि कोई आपका friend जो है वो कहीं पे DC लगेगा, कहीं पे कुछ लगेगा, कहीं अच्छी position पे जाएगा. So that will help you. That will help you in your professional life. So you have to increase your friend circle. मैं ये समझता हूँ कि this is my belief that by the end of this 4 years, you must have at least 600 students in your Facebook list. Right? 400 are your batchmates, 200 your 100 for your senior and 100 for your juniors. That should be your target. Right? So increase your friend networks. We have competent teachers. Alhamdulillah, we have got very seasoned, very experienced teachers over here. So have a good relationship with your teachers as well. Need to understand your teacher, that what kind of stuff he's looking for. Every teacher is a different teacher. Like every individual is a different individual. So over here you will find very different flavors with different teachers. So utilize their experiences, utilize their knowledge. Once again I request all the students that don't go for only one faculty, because we have got multiple teachers over here for one area. We have got around 3-4 faculty in the area of management. You need to have the exposure of different faculty. सर मैंने वो जो है वो फलाने साहब से मैंने टीचर से पढ़ा था, मैं उन्हीं से पढ़ना चाह रहा हूँ. Why? I recommend to all of you people कि आप जो है वो different faculties से you should have experience, because उनका एक अलग exposure होगा, वो एक अलग industry से आए हुए हैं, कोई और teacher किसी और industry से आया हुआ है अलग. So you should have a multiple exposures from multiple faculty members. This is my advice for you people. So at least you should have an idea about that, what kind of expectation that you have, your faculty have to you, and accordingly work accordingly, and then you will be having a good grade inshallah. Okay? You have to give respect to your teachers. Find student counselor. Your colleague, your senior students, your junior students should not be your counselor. I've seen a lot of students getting counseling from their seniors, from the juniors, from the classmates. Because I've been told by this thing by my class fellow. For God's sake, you have to come and see the student counselor. I'm your student counselor. Your faculty is your student counselor. Your chairperson is your student counselor. Right? So it is my advice to all of you people that you should seek for these student counselors' advices rather than your colleagues. In this way that you've been misguided. I've seen a lot of students. And last but not least, find out the mentors and act like a mentee. And who are mentors? Like we have mentors over here. We have mentors of IUBS. We have Aslan Saab. He's a permanent faculty member and he's also a mentor of this IUBS. This smart people who's guided all the students over here wearing black suit and red tie. So these are their team members guided by the mentors. Aslan Saab, Ms. Aisha, Saradullah. They are our regular faculty, permanent faculty members, and they've been guided by these three. Find out. You'll find mentors in your relevant experience. They have got relevant experiences in their relevant field. Within the university and outside the university, you will find mentors. Mentors are having huge experiences. They have good reputation in the market. Find out this mentors, right? So this is my few tips that you should work upon it, and inshallah your next 4 years will be very smooth, and you'll get a success. You'll be a success story of this Indus University. And with this, thank you very much. I request Dr. Naveed. Dr. Naveed is working for some digital area, so he will explain it to you. So I request Dr. Naveed sir to please come on the stage and guide the students about this digital CV and other things. Please. From my side, thank you very much.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। फीस साहब थोड़ा सा परेशान करके चले गए सारे स्टूडेंट्स को, ग्रेडिंग सिस्टम और ऐसे नहीं करना ऐसे नहीं करना, थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स हो जाए। अच्छा, स्लाइड पे आप देखें बहुत सारा कुछ डिजिटल लिखा हुआ है, स्टूडेंट डिजिटल पोर्टफोलियो, डिजिटल सीवी, डिजिटल इनेबल्ड लर्निंग और सेकंड पासपोर्ट। अच्छा, सबसे पहले थोड़ी सी बात करते हैं डिजिटल इनेबल्ड लर्निंग पे। अच्छा, आप लोग गूगल यूज करते हैं सारे, सब लोग? अच्छा, थोड़ा सा जो सेशन है वो इंटरैक्टिव करते हैं, कुछ आप भी बोलो कुछ मैं भी बोलूँ, ये वन वे कम्युनिकेशन नहीं होनी चाहिए, फिर मजा आता है। अच्छा, गूगल आप लोग कब करते हैं? एक तो रमजान में करते हैं ना, देखते हैं कि इफ्तारी का टाइम कितने बजे। उसके अलावा गूगल जो आप यूज करते हैं वो नॉर्मली क्या चेक करते हैं, गूगल से क्या इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रैक करते हैं? कोई स्टूडेंट कोई आंसर?
कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए हो किसी बारे में।
एग्जैक्टली, कोई एक स्पेसिफिक बताओ ना।